Hey Python developers, welcome to another DelfStack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to execute Python scripts directly within Notepad++. This video is tailored for beginners who are looking to streamline their coding workflow by integrating script execution in their text editor. By the end of the tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge to set up and run Python scripts seamlessly in Notepad++. Let's get started. Here is a simple Python script I just wrote. Let's run it. Go to Run in the menu, then select Run or simply press F5. Now type the screening command and hit Enter. And that's it. Our Python script has successfully executed. In this tutorial, we have covered how to execute Python script within Notepad++. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding!